Hi, my name's Alan. We're at a local landscape contractor's nursery in Salt Lake City today doing a demonstration on PVC-Lock, a glueless fitting used in irrigation systems and in irrigation system repair by Hydro Rain. Today's product demonstration will be repairing a combo tee in a lateral line using PVC-Lock and its sister product, Glueless, to repair the joint that goes from the lateral to the sprinkler head. I've simulated a break in the line here with this mark. And we've actually had a break in a 3/4 combination tee that is connected to a funny pipe elbow and a piece of funny pipe or swing pipe to a sprinkler head. So my break is here and I need to make a repair. So what I would first do would be to cut out the old piece of pipe. On one side, and cut away from the glue joint so I have plenty of room from the glue residue. And then I will measure back about 8 or 8.5 inches to give myself plenty of room with the slide repair fitting I'm going to use. Cut that away. Okay, now I'm going to remove that and put it away. Now using my beveling tool, I would bevel this piece of pipe. That takes the edge off so that it'll transition quickly and efficiently into the fitting. Okay. And I'm going to add or insert my PVC-Lock slide repair and a turn into quarter turn onto the pipe. Make sure this fitting's fairly clean and install the PVC-Lock combo tee onto the end of the slide repair fitting. And then that will telescope up toward my cut point and I can slide that on easily, and that's a secure joint now. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to replace the funny pipe fitting with a Glueless equivalent into the combo tee. Glueless is a sister product of PVC-Lock, which is used to transition from PVC-Lock to swing pipe. This is a piece of swing pipe, Glueless swing pipe, which inserts much like PVC-Lock on the outside diameter of the pipe. Just to put it in and then cut to length. On the other side, and install this Glueless elbow into the sprinkler head and then onto the outside of the pipe. And that's how you repair a broken sprinkler head and combo tee with a PVC-Lock slide repair. For additional training videos and using PVC-Lock and Glueless in irrigation system repair, go to our website at hydrorain.com.